Hey everyone, it's Isaac again. I got chapter 8 and kind of just wrapping up the entire book. So chapter eight's title is Detox, and the reason why it's called Detox is because it's kind of a culmination of everything that the book talked about with all the different strategies, the ideas that they have towards men in society. And so it kind of just talked about putting them all together and then creating a strategic plan to try to implement them um, either all at a time, little by little, student by student, or group by group. And so it really talked about truly evaluating ADD and ADHD, not just saying boys will be boys. And then the most important one, which is I think the most important thing that we can do as middle level educators, is to just be a good role model, especially if you're a male role model, because there's a lot of kids nowadays that don't have fathers, don't have a positive, strong male figure in the house. Um, that's not to say everywhere in the world's that way, but I know that that's a huge issue worldwide. And so if we can be the positive role models that are reinforcing what it means to be a man, what it means to be a boy, how they should act, what they should be like, then the better they're going to be for the next generation. Um, and that's really just the main idea of us as teachers is we're trying to get students to critically think as well as make sure that they have the right tools to be successful. And one of those is mental health and the ability to not put people into a box just to make them fit, because the box is always open. There's always new ideas. There's always new people. There's always new thoughts. And so we want to try to just one make sure that we don't label them into ADHD, sorry. Um, get them having negative self thoughts about themselves, using steroids or anything like that, and then make sure that we are just as educators good role models for the future generation. Overall, I thought this book was a great book. It had a lot of great points, a lot of things that I never really thought about, and yeah, I would encourage everyone to add this to their repertoire of reading, especially if you're going to be working with boys one on one in a class like PE or health, where there's a lot of self issues that they can find with themselves. So, hope you guys liked our PowerPoint.